Morning, folks. Brian here with Geomagnetic Earth Watch. Wednesday, July 10. It's a follow-up report, supplemental information to the global heat report. Additional areas I want to point out. Let's start off with Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. Coastal Papua New Guinea lighting up. Quite a few indications. Indonesia, eastern Indonesia. And New Zealand, coastal New Zealand. We have a few points. Of course, White Island. I've already covered this one here, the trench. Turkey. Sea of Marmara. We have 2 points. This is everywhere, folks. Another one off the coast of Italy. Where are you? There you go. Quite a few. Now, Persian Gulf, these are normal. These are oil platforms flaring off. However, I've never seen this many before. See if I can find you an example. So here's a flare stack. He's relieving the pressure. Satellites will pick up that heat. Another one. So all of it, and actually some of these are volcanic islands. So all of this is an indication of increased pressure coming up. They have to release all that pressure through the flare stacks. A few days ago, bottom end of the Red Sea. These are all volcanic islands. Let's head back into the United States. So this spread here, all at the same time, 0237. And we're talking 21 kilometers long. Even if we take this point here, it's 13 kilometers long. All at the same time, people. Northern Washington State. These more or less the same time as well. These could very well be lightning strikes. Okay, people. I've been doing this for quite a few years, watching the heat. I check several times a day, now even more. Because as I've explained so many times, once again, this is the outer core of our planet where a magnetic field is generated from. When you have an electromagnetic connection from the binary system coming in, SAL, it is going to cause what's called outer core expansion. This is the outer core where a magnetic field is generated from. It expands. Outer core expansion. It's a pressure, it's a heat, it's magma, which has to come up through the mantle plumes, which are anchored to the outer core of our planet. That harder magma comes up to the underside of the lithosphere. The mantle plume head can be thousands of kilometers in diameter. It can have branches, arms, nodes, pushing up underneath the Earth's crust, causing fracture zone earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, heat. Now, coincidentally, this Mike, and that is not his real name, Mike from Around the World Council of Time, and I still haven't graded him yet. Coincidentally, he did state 2 days ago exactly what I just finished showing you. I don't know who this guy is. I've only been listening to him for less than a year, but I've been on this for like 3 or 4 years now. So what he says is going to happen. And yes, I know a lot of the times the timing is not correct. But what have I just finished showing you globally? You want to hear my next prediction? East Timor Sea between Australia and Indonesia is going to light up. That rising heat from the magma from the outer core results in fires and volcanic eruptions, and the pressure, the earthquakes, and activating these tsunami buoys, which are anchored to the ocean floor. If there's going to be any motion of the ocean floor, the buoys go into event mode. This is why I have a separate section on my playlist on my YouTube channel for the buoys. Anyway, folks, it's a heads up.